Good morning. This is H coming at you again with another Autodesk Inventor 2023 tutorial. SolidWorks Education lesson 45 and 46 are going to be in this video. Let's jump on in. I was looking at this lesson just before starting recording, and this is one of those lessons where you can really almost start it from any spot. It just depends on really your preference of whether you wanted to do the fillets in a sketch or if you wanted to do the fillets just after extruding 3D material. Okay, there's really no wrong way in those. It's just your preferences. So in this specific instance, for what I'm going to do today to make this just easy, is I'm going to go ahead and do this with two extrusions, one sketch, two extrusions, and then just filleting after the extruded material has been done. Because if we look at this part file, there's a fillet here of 20, two fillets of 10 here, and you can see, you know, where these fillets are in the isometric. There's this corner here, this interior corner of this block material, and this here as well. So I'm going to draw the top view. I'm going to make two rectangle profiles in this, extrude them up stair step style because it's a stair step, and then I'll add the fillets that are here in the other views. But you could draw it from the front view. You could draw this big profile here, extrude that 20, draw, make sure you have this square sketched, extrude that out another 30, and then fill it with this already done. So, there's other ways to do this one for sure, but I'm going to start from the top view, draw my sketches, extrude them, and do all the filleting in the 3D fillet tool rather than the 2D sketch fillet tool. So I need two rectangles. I just need to draw this rectangle here. This is going to be 40 by 20, really small. And then I need another rectangle here. This is going to be 30 down, and then it is 20 over, and then it goes back up to the midpoint there. So there it is. That's my sketch, right? Two simple extrusions now. This one here, this goes up 40. Hit my plus sign. This one here goes up 20. Hit my enter key. And this is my 3D material that I need to fillet now. So now I go to my fillet tool, and this edge here, this gets filleted 20 millimeters. I'm going to apply that and create a new fillet feature. This one here is 10, and this one here is also 10. So I'm going to click those two edges, hit my enter key. There it is. That is the part file created and done. Very simple, very easy to make as we see these fillets that are all there and looking good. Again, multiple ways to do this part. This is lesson 45, but it just depends on your preference, depends on your stylistic choice, because you're going to pretty much have 4 features here in the browser window pretty much any way you do this. Okay, so there it is. That was lesson 45. Pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and open up my part file for the next one, and then I'm going to pull the packet over here. And the next one is number 46. This is another very simple part. This lesson 46, it's a stair step. So immediately we think of stair step like those different platforms at different heights, those different profiles. The top view is what we need, right? Drawing this top view with all these rectangles and then this profile here, and then we extrude it all up the different lengths, the different heights. We'll be done no problem, real quick. Okay, so I'm going to slide this over here, my other monitor, start my sketching on the top view, and I'm going to start with a rectangle because I'm into shortcuts this morning. 20 millimeters by 40 millimeters tall. There it is. I'm going to move that over there like that. And then I have some other small, actually, let me just do the whole 40 that's over here. and then this comes down, and then this comes over. There it is. And now we can close this small one in. The small one is 20, and it goes up to this point here. And that dimension on this line here should be 10. And now we just have to repeat the process here at the bottom. So we got to go over 20, down, and then make sure that this dimension is also 10. Okay, so there we go. So we have the rectangle tool, we have the rectangle here, this profile, and overall the 4 different profiles that are here for our extrusion tool. Okay, so we'll start with the largest extrusion first, which is this one here. This is 30. Then I'll hit my plus sign. These 2 small rectangles here, these are both 20. And then I'll hit my plus sign again. And then this large profile here is extruded 10 millimeters. And then I can hit enter. And there it is. That is lesson 46 completed. Very, very easy, very, very direct stair step style of part file for lesson 46. But this has been lesson 45 and 46. Short video, easy parts. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope this is educational and practical for you. You all have a great day.